Welcome to Euron and welcome to another series, everyone. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about one new series and which is basically a big data Azure. So as you can see, and why I'm trying to create like a big data masters, big data Azure, big data AWS and big data Databricks, because all of these are equally important. And again, so we have to, let's suppose if I'm targeting just a big data Azure profile, so I have to get a mastery just with respect to all kind of Azure services which is available for a big data, and I have to build a project around it. Now keeping that in a mind, big data Azure has been designed, Azure has been launched. Now so it is going to start from 10th of June, and this entire delivery is going to happen in an English language. Syllabus I have already published in a very detailed, very depth, as you can see over here. So I'm not leaving even a single thing unturned over here. So in terms of a syllabus, and again, same will be reflected even inside a content. So when we will start releasing this entire series, which is going to start from 10th of June. So whatever will be the nearest Monday as per the mentions things that we have already mentioned over here, right? So we are going to start delivering this entire series from 10th, and just go through a syllabus once, guys. Believe me, uh, I can bet on it that this is one of the best syllabus that you will be able to get, and I'll make sure that you are going to avail a best possible content for big data with Azure. So with that, guys, thank you so much. See you again in my next video.